everyone, it's Kezia over here from KezziesCorner and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kezia and this is my corner where I share all my love for makeup, beauty and all that jazz. If you're a returning subscriber, I would say thank you for coming back to watch yet another video of mine, and if you're new here, I would love it if you would press subscribe and join my lovely corner. It would mean the world to me. Today's video is going to be a spring makeup look. I'm going to be using various products which I have neglected or bought and never tried out and showing them some love. If you want to see what products I'm using, how they tested out and how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. And today's video is also in collaboration with Ana Luisa, where I will dedicate a part of my video to Ana Luisa. That's all for the intro. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. Stay tuned for more spring related videos coming right up. Let's start today's video. Before we start the video, I wish to give a shout out to Ana Luisa and to thank them for allowing me to partner with them again and be a part of the March Madness campaign, where they have 20% off all their jewelry. If you didn't know, Ana Luisa is a jewelry brand which is based in the US. They offer a variety of jewelry pieces, from rings to necklaces to bracelets to earrings, you name it. And all their products, from packaging to the product itself, are carbon neutral. And this means that they are a sustainable brand, which means that they are protecting the planet that we live in, which is awesome. They also offer a number of high quality pieces, but at very affordable prices as well. These pieces of theirs will make you feel empowered, elegant and ready to face the day, and you can wear them like at work, you can wear them when you go out on a date, you can wear them anywhere you go. So I wish to share the pieces that they so kindly sent me from Ana Luisa with you all, which are in this box. They always come packaged in this box. They offer shipping worldwide. What I like about it is that they also come in these beautiful pockets right here. So let's start with this one, because this is a new item which I've never actually tried or had. So I actually got a ring. So here is the ring, and basically this is called Rope Slim, and this one is in a size small. So the small goes on this one. Okay, look how pretty is that, guys. That is so pretty. I like that so much. I have earrings. So I have these ones right here. Now these ones are Victoire. They're absolutely beautiful. I love the design they come in. This is Victoire. It's actually really pretty and cute. I really like that a lot. And then I have these ones which are actually called Scarlet, and they're so cute. I like this sort of, I can imagine myself wearing like a plain top, like black, white, cream, whatever, and then just putting these on, and they just will change the outfit. They will change the way your outfit looks. So this is Scarlet. I really like it. They really look so cute and, I don't know, so dainty, but at the same time, they're like an essential, I feel. And then the last that I have to show you guys is something that I've always wanted but never got. So I actually have a necklace now with my own initial, and this one is called just simply letter K. They have all the alphabet, so basically if you wish to pick up your necklace with your initial, then definitely go and check that out. Oh no, I put it on the wrong way then. That is the K on. I really like it, and I don't know, I think this would be like a necklace that I would wear every day probably. Those were the jewelry pieces that I wish to show you from Ana Luisa. They're absolutely beautiful, and like I told you, I have a 20% discount down in the description box, so just click the link and you will get 20% off your order. I'm really happy with my jewelry pieces, so I just wish to say thank you to Ana Luisa yet again. So yes, now we can just jump right into the video of me creating a spring makeup look. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So we will obviously ignore all the redness. Again, I woke up with my psoriasis all flared up, unfortunately, so I just can't wait to just hide it. Let's start the tutorial with the elixir. This one is the Skin XX Makeup Elixir. So it's a dew serum, and this helps to moisturize and soothe the skin. This feels really nice. And now last time what I did was, when I filmed my last video, I used the Professional Pro Balm. It really helps to minimize the pores, and I'm just going to apply it just a little bit on
where I have my pores. For foundation, I'm actually going to be using this one. I've used this before and I watched a video of Soph Does Makeup, or Soph Does Life, I think she's called now. She recommended this for like dry skin, so I will be using this again today. The Urban Decay, the Hydromaniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. So I'm just going to apply that. Last week we had quite a dark foundation. This week we have quite a light foundation. But she said like for dry patches, it's like a really good foundation. So I thought that would be a good foundation for today because I feel my skin is around my lip area. The rest of my skin is fine, to be honest. Yeah, it's a bit frustrating, guys, because I've been obviously, like my lips have always been like flaring up for the past month now, and it's like they don't want to settle. And I do believe, I think it is also because of the cold weather. Now, I've never had this before, so I don't really understand it. But it is happening. Okay, much better. I look normal again. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Anastasia concealer. I think I've used this twice and I kind of really like it. I haven't done my brows yet today. In the previous videos, I had been doing them before and I was just telling you what I do. So today I'm actually going to show you what I have been loving on my brows. Powder, I haven't actually decided what I'm going to do. Let's use this one. I kind of really like it and I haven't used it in a while. It's the I Heart Revolution, the coconut scented baking powder. I really love this powder. I believe last year I really used it quite a bit. I like setting under my eye. Like my skin is looking really good. But yeah, like over here is where I have like a bit of a problem at the moment. Like it's patchy and dry, so I can't do anything about that, to be honest. Now let me show you what I've been doing my brows. So I've been using this one. So this is the Soap Brow from Revolution. Revolution have other ones, but I use this one. Now mine is like this because I was noticing that it had like a black under there and I wanted to make sure that's like nothing bad, but it's fine. Okay, so what I do is I'm going to just use a setting spray. This is the professional one because actually I want to use it all over. Should I use it all over? No, let's just do my brows first. I like dampening this brush and I like dipping it into the soap like that. And then what I like doing is you're going to drag the brows like the opposite side first. I know, guys, don't worry. We will fix that. And then what I will do is I go in with this brow pencil, which I absolutely adore. I believe this was from XX Revolution. Everything has like disappeared from the pencil, but I really love this pencil. And then I'm just going to fill in my brows, doing something like that. And I don't know, I like this style of the soap brow. I don't know if I'm doing it right, obviously, so don't quote me on this, but this is how I've been doing them. We'll just leave it like this. But that's how I've been doing my brows, guys, nothing else. So for eyeshadow palettes, I'm going to be using two. These were ones I had bought from Revolution, and to be honest, I haven't touched yet. I'm very excited to basically use them. So this one is the Nat, and this one is this is a Trust Your Soul palette, and it comes like this. I swear the shadows aren't as bright as the camera is picking them up to be. Well, it's very nice. I like these. Sort of, this is the palette that Kezia would go for. And then we're going to be using this one. This is the Unicorn Heart from I Heart Revolution. And it has some of the most beautiful shimmer shades ever. And with spring coming along, and obviously we're doing like a spring themed makeup look, I thought this would be perfect for that. What I'm going to be using the Nat palette for is basically for the matte shades. I'm going to be using this fluffy brush. So I'm going to take this one, which is called Core, and I'm going to be using that all over my face. Now, the bad thing about this palette is there's no mirror, and even in the other palette there's no mirror actually. So we're just going to be using my wee mirror of I Heart Revolution. We're just going to apply some of this Core shade on my crease. I actually haven't done eyeshadow in so long because of my dry, patchy lids. I filmed one for sure for so long, but so far, so good. So I'm just going to build it up because I kind of want a little bit more. The palette is like beautiful and all that, but I don't like the packaging of it because it doesn't make it easy or friendly to kind of use. But that's the core shade, which I am really liking. I'm looking at the Unicorn Heart eyeshadow palette, which is absolutely stunning. And I'm like drawn to the either the Dreamer shade or else this one, the Mitt shade. I feel like I want to do Mitt because it's different and we're looking for a spring makeup look, so let's just do that. So I'm just going to put literally Mitt all over. Look how pretty the shade is, guys. It is absolutely gorgeous. Sort of on the palette, it looks much brighter, like a yellow shade, like what's on my fingers. But then when you apply it, so dainty and delicate, I feel. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, this one is called Charge, which is that one right here. It's like a very shimmery pink. And I'm just going to place that sort of in between the first shade Core and then Mitt to be like a nice transition. Guys, I'm sorry, but this is stunning. If you don't have this palette, I would recommend you getting it because it's a really, really pretty palette to have. For the inner corner, I have been looking at the shade and I'm like, okay, it's probably it. It's this one right here, which is called Unicorn. And I mean, we have the Unicorn Hearts palette, so like it wouldn't be like appropriate if I don't try it out. So I'm going to just literally place that there. Wow. Guys, this shade is absolutely, and I'm going to put this also on my brow bone. This shade is beautiful. And now, obviously, we need to apply some sort of shade in the lower lash line. The one that's calling my name it's a bit confusing because Dreamer and Whimsy look very similar. So I'm just going to swatch it because I don't know what's the difference. Okay, so one is a bit lighter and one is a bit darker. So I'll use the bit dark. I'll use Whimsy. I'm going to put this in my lower lash line. And it's very faint, guys. But to be honest, like, you know, it matches. Very, very delicate, very light, easy spring makeup look, I feel like. This is like a really pretty look to jump into the spring season, and I really like the shades from here that I tried. Let's stick with the theme of Revolution. I'm going to be using this one, which is the Power Lash Volume from, this one is like the Relove brand. So I'm just going to apply this, but wait. Taking out my new eyelash curler. Do my lashes, well, mascara. But I don't know, that's very pretty if I don't say so myself. So that is my eyes done. And now we're going to move on to the rest of my face. Okay, so this is the Sculpting Bronzer from Revolution Pro, which looks like that. I'm going to apply this all over my, well, not all over my face, where you would apply bronzer, guys. Now I have these two, which I have bought again and I have never tried. This is the XX Revolution Cloud Blush and Cloud Highlighter. Look how pretty the packaging is, guys. This is so pretty. I mean, Revolution have really upped their game. Now, how do I use this? Oh, this is a cream. Oh, I see. I know we did powder already and we set everything up, but I still like want to use these things, so we will use it. I think I've seen actually people, like they dip their brush and then they just apply it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Well, that's what I'm already doing. Hello there. Very pretty. I absolutely love this pink. Yeah, and it didn't move my foundation, to be fair. Like, I don't mind it, so I like it a lot. My god, so now I'm really excited about the highlighter. The packaging of these products are absolutely gorgeous. Wait, did I apply? No, I think it's fine. Oh my god, guys. Excuse me. I'm going to put some on my nose and on my lips. Excuse me. This is gorgeous. Like, I don't know why I haven't tried it out yet, and I'm really sorry that I hadn't, but I had bought these like last year. I'm not going to lie, because obviously I haven't ordered from Revolution. I think this was the last order that I made from Revolution. And I never tried them, and I don't know why I haven't, and I'm going to put these in my drawer, and like, of course I'm going to use them. Like, they're beautiful. Obviously I have a lip product. Pretty pink for like spring. So yeah, hopefully my lips will not like it. I'm going to use my Professional setting spray because I like it a lot. We have the finished look. This is like my spring
makeup look because we're obviously approaching the spring season, and I have more spring related videos coming up for you guys, so stay tuned for sure for that. But I like it a lot. I like the products that we used today. I feel like, number one, the foundation that we have used, like, you know, apart from like the other foundations that I've used this year, this is a very good foundation, guys, to be honest. That was today's video. Before we end the video, I just wish to say again a big thank you to Ana Luisa and a gentle reminder that you can get 20% off your order if you just check out my description box below. And I just love the pieces that I have. Again, this one is called Scarlet. This one is the letter K. These are the Victoire earrings that I have over here. They're absolutely beautiful. This one is the rope slim ring, which I absolutely love. So again, a big thank you to Ana Luisa. I just wish to say also thank you to you guys, because Kezzie's Corner wouldn't be the same without you guys. So let me know in the comments down below what you thought of my spring makeup look, if you've tried any of the products, and if you have any of the Ana Luisa jewelry pieces. I would love to know. So I'm just going to end the video right here. Don't forget, if you like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.